In today's lesson we will be finding the percentage of a quantity using a calculator. We're able to use a calculator obviously to find the percentage of a quantity. To do this you must remember that percentages are out of 100. They're always out of 100 and they can be written as a fraction over 100. So for example, if we had 56%, that can be written as 56 out of 100. 4%, 4 out of 100. And 20% is 20 out of 100. You will also need to be able to use your calculator when entering these fractions. So you will need to know how to use the fractions button. So on your calculator there will be a fraction button, and depending on your make of calculator, it could look something like this. To enter a percentage as a fraction, you would first need to press the fractions button. The top number or numerator would be the percentage. So if you had 15%, the top number would be 15, and the bottom number will always be 100. But don't worry, if you can't find the fractions button, you can always enter the following into your calculator. Because if we had 15%, which would be 15 over 100, that means 15 divided by 100. So you could enter 15 divided by 100 into your calculator, ensuring that you actually put decimals around, brackets around that. So first example, it says calculate 39% of 576. The first thing to realise is this word of. In mathematics, of means times. So the question is 39% of 576. So next, let's write 39% as a fraction. So it's 39 out of 100 times 576. And if you enter that into your calculator, you will get the answer, don't forget our pound sign, £224, 64 pounds. The second question, calculate 8% of £3.25. So again, of still means times. So 8% is 8 out of 100 over 100 times 3.25, which gives us an answer of £0.26, or you could say 26 pence. The next question asks us to find 57% of 83.5, but it also says to give your answer correct to one decimal place. So we'll answer it the same way we normally do. So 57% is 57 out of 100 times 83.5. If you enter that into your calculator, you will get 47.595. Now we haven't actually answered the question yet because it's asked us to put it into one decimal place. So the answer is 47.6. The fourth question, a little bit more tricky, a little bit harder. Calculate 12.5% of 1,176. Well, 12.5% is a little bit harder to write on your calculator, type into your calculator. But what it means, well, 0.5% or half is 0.5. So 12.5 would be 12.5. So it's 12.5 over 100 times 1176. And entering that into your calculator, you get the answer of 147.